Hello, Dark Age of Camelot gang. I have another video here with a how-to. Today we are going to talk about orbs and caches of reforming energy. The way to obtain these items is to purchase the doppelganger shards from the bounty master, which I'm going to go to the bounty master inside Castle Savage. Okay, it'll be these items right here. All right, you exchange your bounty points to buy these. These are an item that develop an ROG usage that will give you shards, such as the 3 shards that are needed for the Astral Cloak of the Seraph that I'm wearing. All right, this is the item's abilities. It does come with magical abilities. I don't have the ability to use the magic uses on it, except for this one here, the second use. All right, I can use that. One of the other things that you will get occasionally when exchanging these shards for the pieces for the doppelganger equipment are these caches and orbs of reforming energy. All right. You hand these into an NPC that looks like a crystal giant in Oceanus in various locations, and you can exchange it for items. All right. Occasionally, those items will be one like this, called Dust of Creation, as well as other ones, which are used if you have your weapon crafting skill up to legendary status to make legendary weapons. Fletching also contains some legendary weapons. So what I want to do is show everybody how to do it. I had to get some help from an ALB player to find the quest and find the NPCs to turn these in. I looked all over Stygian Delta and didn't find it, and here it was right in front of my face. So I want to send a thank you to player Jenny Pala of Albion for showing me this. All right, now the quest that you will need in your journal will be this quest here, which is called Reforming Energies. Okay, to obtain the quest, you grab this genie here, teleport to the Green Glades of Eris. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of speed here. Now there should be an NPC out here that looks like a Crystal Titan. Well, the one that she showed me is in Stygia, which is where I'm going to go right now. The one that I got the quest from on Gaheris is in Green Glades. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on with that there. some of the other items you can get while turning these items in, I have one here to show you, are ROG items. You can also get trophies for kill credit on some of the mobs that you can select for the credit for the turn in when you give them the caches. To give you a disclaimer, it's pretty random. All right. These are the NPCs. All right. Okay, you'll have to click through a little bit of dialogue. Okay, and he'll give you a list. Now, if you have given him one of these caches, for the strongest items, you can select 3. If you give him an orb of reforming energy, you can only select 1. So it's better to use the caches, which are 3 orbs of reforming energy. It all works out the same. It's just quicker to use the caches. Okay. Now, if you hand him one and he takes it from your inventory, that means you are completely out. If you have no credits remaining to exchange, he'll take it. If you have 1, 2, or all 3, he will not. So you can only use them one at a time. You cannot use them stacked. Okay, and it'll repeat the dialogue when you do it. All right, I usually select full group. Itet happens to be the credit where I got the Dust of Creation. There are different ones. I usually just click through and I'm going to start making a list. Whether I do this on Gaheris or in the PvE zones of Ywain, this is something I'm going to look into and see what comes of it. Okay, but you'll see you get weapons, armor, sometimes you get accessories. Like here's a cloak that's 100% quality. The stats aren't always good on them, although the bonus to armor factor is really nice on this. 40 out of the 50 you can add to your armor factor from item bonus at level 50. It's got an insta-cast damage over time, bonus level 44, so the item itself can be used as early as Lurvik. And then some of the items have decent stats. They'll have shields on them. Definitely worth looking into. This is something that can be used in Molvik. Which I'm thinking about getting a video done on going over the Molvik templates, since I now know what the item bonus maxes, the resist bonus, and the specialization level maxes are. I haven't discovered what the armor factor and hit point caps are for Molvik yet. If I do, I'll get a video up on that. As far as the ROG items, for those, you can pretty much sell them to any merchant. If I can find a merchant. So, I mean, even if you don't, keep the items, you can at least make a little bit of money off this stuff, too. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.